You don't need a $10,000 developer to build a yoga studio website that actually brings in new clients. Most studio owners think websites are complicated. They either spend way too much money hiring someone, or they settle for a basic site that isn't optimized for mobile and doesn't actually bring people in. The truth is this: if your website isn't designed to convert, you're losing clients every single day. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a high-converting yoga studio website without touching a single line of code. And I'll show you how Walla makes the whole process easy, so you can focus on teaching and growing your business instead of fighting with tech. A yoga studio website should look professional, but it shouldn't take months and thousands of dollars to build. And that's where most owners get stuck. They either spend big on a developer or settle for a template that looks generic. And with Walla's drag and drop website builder, you don't need coding or design skills. You literally drag, drop, and publish. Your site looks custom, polished, and completely on brand. And here's the best part: you stay in control. You can swap out photos, change class descriptions, or launch a new promo in minutes. No waiting, no developer invoices. Just you updating your site on your schedule and with the help of the Walla team if you need it. That freedom alone saves studio owners so much time and money. Now, a good-looking site is worthless if no one finds it. And this is where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes in. And I know what you're thinking. SEO sounds complicated and expensive, but it doesn't have to be. Walla websites are built with the best SEO practices baked in. And that means when someone in your area searches yoga near me on Google, your studio has a much better chance of popping up. This is huge because boutique studios can absolutely compete with bigger gyms if they show up first in local searches. That's free traffic. New clients who are actively looking for exactly what you offer. And with Walla, your website doesn't just sit there looking nice. It works to bring people in. Now let's talk about the client experience, because this is where a lot of studios lose people. Someone visits your site on their phone. They're interested, they're ready to book a class, but the site is clunky, or hard to navigate, or it takes too many steps to book. They're gone in seconds. Walla solves this by making your website responsive. And that means it automatically looks perfect on every device, such as your desktop, tablet, or mobile. And it's not just about looks. Walla integrates booking, schedules, and payments directly into your site. So when someone decides they want to join, they can book and pay right there in seconds. No extra clicks, no extra steps. Just an easy path from curiosity to commitment. And that's how you turn interest into signups. Now let's turn your website into a true sales tool. Too many yoga studio websites are basically digital flyers. They share some info, maybe a phone number, but they don't actually drive sales. Walla flips that on its head. The templates are designed to convert. They're clean, professional, and are built with sales in mind. And because editing is so simple, you can keep testing new offers, swap out images, or try different headlines to see what gets the best response. And on top of that, Walla shows you the data. You'll see what's working and what's leading to bookings, so you can double down on the strategies that bring the best results. And that's how you turn your website into a growth engine instead of just a brochure. Finally, let's talk about flexibility. Your business changes all the time. New schedules, new classes, different pricing. Most website platforms make this a nightmare. But with Walla, you can update everything yourself in real time. You can change your schedule, launch a new intro offer, or update pricing within minutes. No friction, no delays. You also get reporting that shows you what's driving bookings. And if you ever get stuck, there's a support team ready to help. You're not left trying to figure it all out on your own. And that means you can make smarter decisions faster without the stress of wondering if it's working. It's not just a website. It's a website and a support system designed to help you grow. So here's the big takeaway. Your website shouldn't just look good. It should convert. And with Walla, you get drag and drop design, built-in SEO, seamless booking, branded templates, and ongoing support. And that's how you create a high-converting yoga studio website without touching a single line of code. So if you're ready to build a site that actually grows your studio, check out the first link in the description and get started with Walla today. And before you go, Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tips on growing your studio. If you want to dive deeper into building a website that gives you a competitive edge, check out the video on your screen right now. See you in the next video.